Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I am Sandy if you're new here and would love for you to subscribe. I am continuing to work on my spring journal, and today I'm going to try to finish up the cover and the inside cover and maybe get the signature sewn in. So that's the goal for today. So I'm going to move this out of the way for the moment. And the first thing I want to do is I want to glue this in. So I think this video will be up by the time this video goes up, but I took some seam binding and I played around with my Distress Oxide inks and also my alcohol inks and colored my own seam binding, so that was a lot of fun. So I'm going to put a tie in here, and then I am going to be working on my cover, what I want to put on here. And then I've decided I feel like this washi tape will look really pretty down the spine, but I'm not going to put that on until after I sew the signature in so I can cover up the thread. So let us start with the seam binding, and I am just going to cut a piece instead of like trying to lay it all the way across. I'm just going to cut a piece to tie here. So I'm going to cut it right about there. And then I'll do another one about the same length. I love how crinkly this has gotten. So I'm going to try to smoosh it down though to glue it down. So I think that'll give me plenty of room to tie it. I haven't done a tie before, so I thought it would be fun to try that. So I am just gonna put some glue right here. Sorry for my reach, get my little handy dandy. Hopefully this will work. I need to put a little more glue over here. I hope everyone's having a great day. I am filming this on a Monday. It's so nice to not have to be somewhere. I can just chill today. Had a busy weekend this weekend. It was Thunder over Louisville. That was so much fun. My husband went down. The soccer stadium had, you could get tickets there, and you could go in and out, walk in and out, and go down to the waterfront. They had a bunch of activities. They had a band playing. But the big, hit of the day was the weather, if you ask me. It was just absolutely gorgeous. So it was nice to be outside all day. Enjoy that nice weather. But the air show was nice. The fireworks were amazing. I put a story up, a short up of the fireworks. If you haven't seen it, you can check that out. So yeah, I think that'll tie up nicely. It's a pretty good match. It's not exact, but I think that's okay. And then on top of this, sorry for my arm again. I am going to put this piece here. I'm trying to think what glue I should use. Or maybe I'll do the Fabri-Tac. direction. Yes. Oh, I might have to take my sweater off. I am getting hot. My credit card here. Not credit card, but my hotel room key. There we go. There, that is nice. Well, tough if I could tie. Aw. Okay, I like that. And I need to put a little touch up of glue around the edges. I would love that as the inside cover. And then we'll have this in there. Love it. So pretty. All right. So now the cover. I was playing around off camera, trying to decide. So I snipped out this little piece. This was another piece of fabric from that April and Jules vintage. And then this is just some lace I had around. And this is from an old shirt of mine. And I was kind of playing around with something like that. And then if I have this tape on here, washi tape going down the side, that leaves room for that. I did this edge, and now I don't know if I like it with the deckled edge. But I am going to stitch around it, so I think that might solve that problem. But I think that looks nice. Yeah, I might do a straight cut around here. I don't like the deckled edge. I think that's what's bothering me. So I'll snip that off a little bit. Then I'm going to sew it on the sewing machine, and then I will be right back. So I trimmed off the deckle edge and just kind of made it a rough cut. And then I sewed around, and I used this pink, and I love how this turned out. I'm very excited, very pleased with this. I'm going to trim off the extra. Don't want the dangles on here. Yes, I love, love, love that. Let me know what you all think. Oh, love that. Let me trim this off a little bit more here. I have to use this magnifying glass. Okay, I am going to glue that down right like that. I might trim a little of that off, but we'll see. And then I'll still have room for that. All right. Love, love, love this, guys. Right. I don't know how good a job I did sewing it, but with one eye, I think I did pretty good. I guess 1.5 eyes. Hey, but I got the bobbin threaded and the needle thread, or the bobbin loaded and the needle threaded. So that's a win for me. Yeah. Right. And then put that right about there, I think. A napkin. Oh, I am absolutely loving this, you all. as you know, I don't do a lot of decorating on my covers normally. I'm going out of my comfort zone here, and I am enjoying it. I am enjoying going out of my comfort zone. Wow. I am really liking this. So I might shorten that one just a hair, but I don't know, I kind of like it. I really like the pink. I mean, I didn't do that great a job just sewing it, but that's okay. I really like the pink stitching, just kind of brought it all together, in my opinion. So I have the white envelope from the dentist office, and I want to paint over the lettering on that page and maybe do a little bit of collaging or something. So let's go do that next while we let this dry. As I mentioned, this is the dentist bag that I am going to alter, and I'm actually just going to do a separate video on how I alter it, but you'll see it when I do the flip through of this journal. Alright guys, I have finished off the cover. I've sewn the signature in, so let's do a quick little flip through. I really like how this turned out. So I have this washi tape to cover up the sewing, and I have my pretty little cover here and my seam binding that I colored myself. And you just open it up, and I love the inside of this, and I'll probably put a pocket here or something like that. I have this little envelope from that paper pad that might make a cute pocket there, so that's a contender. But let's just do a quick little flip through. So I have lots of places to journal and decorate. Love that pretty page, and I love this blue. And then on this boots page, this is some paper from the Daphne Diaries. And then we have this really pretty page that I made from a dentist bag when you get your new toothbrush and toothpaste. And I love, and this is napkins. I love how that came out. Got a little pocket here. Have a couple little items. I can journal on the back of those. And then I did put a little washi tape on this page to give it some strength. And then this really pretty vintage page. A bird book, and then the back side. And then here is another from Daphne's Diary, and another pocket, and then the butterflies on this side. And then on this boots page, I put down this digital here, and added this fabric belly band, and then just put a cut apart in there. So that's the only decorating that I've done thus far, because I want to use it for, you know, my next couple months till I fill it up. All right, so this I think is going to be part 3 of this video. The one thing I forgot to do is put my corner protectors on, so I'll do that, and a spine dangle. I'll kind of show those just when I do a journal with me. I'll show you the spine dangle and the corner protectors. But let me know what y'all think of this fun little spring vintage journal. I had a lot of fun making it, and making it with you guys. And for those of you who haven't seen me sew in a signature, I do have several other videos on sewing in a signature. So you can just search on YouTube, Kentucky Crafter, sewing a signature, and those videos should come up and you can watch those. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Remember to comment and like, and if you're new, subscribe. Also remember to check out my Facebook group and my Instagram page and my Etsy shop. So, all right, thank you guys. Love y'all so much. Talk to y'all on the next video. Bye.